Hello friends. Welcome to Current Affairs Review. Topic for today's video is military drones, the game changers in modern warfare. The term drone usually refers to any unpiloted aerial vehicle and can operate without the presence of any pilot on board and hence are termed unmanned aerial vehicles. Drones could be controlled and monitored remotely and can be flown at various altitudes, distances, and terrains. They make perfect candidates to be employed in military operations. While the military drone systems are essentially comprised of four components, that is UAV, payload, ground control station, and data link. First is surveillance drones. They are comprised of computer vision, face recognition, object recognition, and other tracking technologies are essentially flying cameras, example Ultra Leap, Global Hawk, etc. Secondly, combat drones. Drone attacks can be conducted by dropping ordnance, firing a missile, or crashing into a target. For example, Israeli Harrops, American RQ-2 Pioneers, MQ-9 Reaper, etc. Lastly, logistical drones. They deliver vital supplies to the frontline troops operating in terrains that are inaccessible to conventional transport system. For example, Mistral X-Herpa used by Indian Army. Until the end of World War II, UAVs aka drones were largely confined to the role of flying bombs that crash upon the target sites. One such famous example was the US Navy's UAV project in 1944 that retrofitted B-24 bombers with remote controlling mechanisms and was unleashed upon the German bunkers. Henceforth, UAVs began to undertake roles traditionally undertaken by manned aircraft and hence were called remotely piloted aircraft. During the same period, the utility of UAV drones was taken to next level when Israel used them for reconnaissance during the Yom Kippur War in 1973 against Egypt. Since then, UAVs have increasingly become an indispensable part of modern warfare. Drones that have been used moderately till the dawn of the 21st century are now proliferating at an unprecedented scale the world over. They have almost become an integral part of the military operations of many countries, particularly like US, Russia, Turkey, China, the UK, etc. Their exponential rise are triggered by various factors. Firstly, they are lighter and could be as small as our arms, and they could be transported at will and can be sprung into action in no time. Drones, owing to their simplistic and lighter structure, can operate at higher altitudes than conventional crafts. They can incur only a fraction of the costs incurred by the other airborne military vehicles. Subsequently, drones can obviate the need for an onboard pilot, thereby preventing many pilots from having to meet the same fate. Even they have an enviable ability to fly at ground-hugging altitudes, making it impossible for the ground radars to track them due to the curvature of the Earth. Despite their precision, they aren't totally bereft of collateral damage. Also, the ease and precision with which drones could be operated, on the flip side, facilitate the extrajudicial killings and the violation of international human rights. Strikes are usually executed without the consent and against the objections and reservations of the target countries. Drone strikes are used as propaganda to turn high-profile killings into martyrs. Due to its relative simplicity in production and easy access, they have fallen into the hands of non-state actors. Download material for this issue from our website. Please like and share this video. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you.